My weakness is French fries. I love French fries, I love potatoes, I like anything potato at all. My mom taught me how to make this recipe when I was younger so that I could make healthy chips and I don't feel so bad about them. And I'm gonna be sharing that with you today. It's that easy. It takes about 10 minutes to make healthy chips at home. You can eat them with dinner, you can make them for your kids. It's just a great option and it's really fun. Look at these rainbow colors. It just makes eating chips more fun, healthier. You don't feel bloated and yucky afterwards. This is a guilt-free chip solution. Enjoy.